Fang Cheng Bao Tai 3, a bold urban SUV with off-road ambitions. At first glance, the Fang Cheng Bao Tai 3 or Formula Leopard Titanium 3 doesn't whisper for your attention. It commands it. With its upright posture, squared edges, and purposeful stance, this compact SUV doesn't look like anything else currently rolling out of BYD's production lines. Instead, it looks like something pulled straight from a motor show concept gallery, only it's very much real on the road and already in the hands of thousands of drivers. As a debut model in BYD's new Tai series, the Tai 3 marks a bold entry for the Fang Cheng Bao sub-brand. While many EVs today chase streamlined silhouettes and minimalist interiors, the Tai 3 leans unapologetically in the opposite direction. It's boxy, rugged, and determined to stand out, not blend in. Targeting a younger, more adventurous urban demographic, the Tai 3 seeks to bridge the gap between tech-savvy electric mobility and off-road capable toughness. A design that dares to be different. From the outside, the Tai 3 makes its presence known. Measuring 4,605 millimeters in length, 1,900 millimeters in width, and up to 1,930 millimeters in height, with the optional drone module, it slots between traditional crossovers and true off-roaders. It's a footprint that feels substantial without being unwieldy in the city. The bodywork is all about straight lines and sharp edges. The tall front fascia, upright grille, and slim LED headlights create a face that feels more robotic than automotive. Flared wheel arches and bold cladding hint at its capability, while vertical rear taillights and a flat tailgate reinforce a focus on utility. A roof hatch that integrates a deployable pod. While it's more a novelty than a necessity, it cements the Tai 3's identity as a forward-thinking machine with some playful touches. Roof rails, high ground clearance, and short overhangs complete the vehicle's rugged look, giving it a trail-ready vibe, even if most owners never leave the pavement. Function-forward interior with tech that matters. Step inside the Tai 3, and the exterior's ruggedness carries through into the cabin. This isn't a luxury lounge, and it doesn't try to be. The design prioritizes function and clarity. Durable materials cover most surfaces, but they're carefully chosen to avoid feeling cheap. The centerpiece of the cabin is the 15.6-inch infotainment display, 12.8 inches on base trims, running BYD's D-Link 100 system. This OS supports voice commands, over-the-air updates, and integrated navigation, ensuring a modern, connected experience. A crisp 8.8-inch digital instrument cluster comes standard across all trims, and a 12-inch head-up display is available for higher-spec variants. The layout emphasizes tactile interaction, large rotary knobs, a physical gear selector, and a bank of solid-feeling buttons line the center stack, providing an intuitive alternative to fully touch-based interfaces. Comfort hasn't been forgotten. Power-adjustable front seats with heating and ventilation are standard on most trims, while the rear passengers benefit from adjustable backrests and a central armrest. Storage is well considered, too, with a 151L frunk, a 28L external rear compartment, a temperature control center console, and a 50W wireless charger. Driving dynamics, built for the city, ready for the trail, on the road. The Tai 3 surprises with a level of refinement not immediately suggested by its chunky looks. It rides with composure and ease, absorbing imperfections in the road, and remaining stable through corners. Despite a curb weight nearing 1,995 kilograms, it's manageable in tight spaces, thanks in part to light, responsive steering. But the Tai 3 isn't just another city cruiser with a rugged costume. It's equipped with iATS, Intelligent All-Terrain System, a feature that automatically detects surface changes and adjusts driving modes accordingly. On gravel or light trails, it proved capable and confident, maintaining grip and stability without excessive wheel slip. Regenerative braking is well-tuned, especially during urban stop-and-go driving. It feels natural, never jarring, and enhances overall efficiency. The fast charging system adds convenience too, allowing a 30% to 80% top-up in just 18 minutes, making it practical for spontaneous adventures or quick errand runs. Pricing and positioning. The Fang Cheng Bao Tai 3 is priced between 133,800 yuan, $18,600, and 193,800 yuan, $26,900, offering both rear-wheel drive and all-wheel drive variants across 5 distinct trims. With a price point that undercuts many premium EV crossovers, yet offers more tech and character, it presents a compelling value proposition. It's already proving to be more than just a design experiment. 10,000 units have been delivered, signaling strong market reception for this distinctive new direction from BYD stable. The verdict: an electric SUV with purpose and personality. In a world where many EVs look and feel interchangeable, the Fang Cheng Bao Tai 3 dares to be different. It doesn't aim to replace a Land Cruiser or dominate lap times. Instead, it offers something far more relatable and relevant: a compact electric SUV that's stylish, functional, and just a bit adventurous. It's not about luxury for the sake of status, nor is it pretending to be an old-school off-roader. The Tai 3 creates its own niche, bold enough to turn heads in the city, tough enough to leave the road behind, and smart enough to fit into a modern lifestyle. For drivers who want an EV that breaks the mold, who see mobility as something more than commuting, the Tai 3 might just be the perfect partner. It's a machine with purpose, packed with personality, and built to challenge expectations. Hit that like button, subscribe for more, and don't forget to share this video with your fellow gearheads.